Matthew Langford Perry, August 19, 1969. October 28, 2023, was an American and Canadian actor. He gained international fame for starring as Chandler Bing on the NBC television sitcom Friends, 1994 to 2004. Perry also appeared on Ally McBeal 2002 and received Primetime Emmy Award nominations for his performances in The West Wing 2003 and The Ron Clark Story 2006. He played a leading role in the NBC series Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip 2006-2007, and also became known for his leading film roles in Fool's Rush in 1997, Almost Heroes 1998, Three to Tango 1999, The Whole 9 Yards 2000, Serving Sarah 2002, The Whole 10 Yards 2004, and 17 Again 2009. Perry was the co-creator, co-writer, executive producer, and star of the ABC sitcom Mr. Sunshine, which ran from February to April 2011. In August 2012, he starred as sportscaster Ryan King on the NBC sitcom Go On. He co-developed and starred in a revival of the CBS sitcom The Odd Couple, portraying Oscar Madison from 2015 to 2017. He had recurring roles in the legal dramas The Good Wife 2012 to 2013 and The Good Fight 2017. Perry portrayed Ted Kennedy in The Kennedys, After Camelot 2017, and appeared as himself in his final television appearance, Friends: The Reunion 2021. He voiced Benny in the video game Fallout, New Vegas 2010. For most of his life, Perry suffered from severe addictions to drugs and alcohol. Through his recovery, he became an advocate for rehabilitation and a spokesperson for the National Association of Drug Court Professionals. In 2013, Perry received the Champion of Recovery Award from the White House Office of National Drug Control Policy. In 2022, he released his memoir, Friends, Lovers, and the Big Terrible Thing. He died on October 28, 2023, at age 54 from the acute effects of ketamine use, exacerbated by accidental drowning. 5 people were charged in connection with helping him acquire lethal doses of the drug. All 5 pleaded guilty. Salvador Plasencia, a former California physician who supplied him with ketamine, was sentenced to 30 months in prison on December 3, 2025. Mark Chavez, another former California physician involved in dealing of ketamine to Perry, was sentenced on December 16, 2025 to 8 months of house arrest. The drug dealer Josephine Sanga, who is also among those who pled guilty, is believed to have supplied Perry with the ketamine which caused his death. On April 8, 2026, Sanga, who has remained jailed since August 2024, was sentenced to 15 years in prison. Personal life. Perry held American citizenship by birth and Canadian citizenship through his mother. He dated Yasmin Bleeth in 1995, Julia Roberts from 1995 to 1996, and Lizzie Kaplan from 2006 to 2012. In November 2020, Perry became engaged to literary manager Molly Hurwitz. Their engagement ended in 2021. Residences owned at some point by Perry included a condo in Sierra Towers purchased from Elton John, a house in Hollywood Hills, a house in Malibu, and a cottage in Pacific Palisades. In 2017, Perry purchased a condo occupying the top floor of the Century in Los Angeles for $20 million, selling it to Nick Molnar for $21.6 million in 2021. In June 2023, Perry purchased a mid-century modern house in Hollywood Hills. Perry had a perfectionist and obsessive personality, spending many hours perfecting his answering machine message. He also believed in God, with whom he had a very close relationship, calling himself a seeker. Health and addiction. In his memoirs, Perry wrote that by age 14, he had become an alcoholic. He became addicted to Vicodin after a jet ski accident in 1997 and completed a 28-day rehab program at the Hazelden Betty Ford Foundation that year. His weight dropped to 128 pounds, 58 kilograms, as he took as many as 55 Vicodin pills per day. In May 2000, he was admitted to Cedars Sinai Medical Center with alcohol-induced pancreatitis. Perry said in 2002 that he made an effort not to drink on the set of Friends, but arrived with extreme hangovers and sometimes would shake or sweat excessively. During later seasons, he was frequently drunk or high on set. His castmates made efforts to help him and staged an intervention, but were unsuccessful. In February 2001, Perry paused productions of Friends and Serving Sarah for 2 months to enter inpatient rehabilitation for his addictions to Vicodin, methadone, amphetamines, and alcohol. He said later that, due to his substance use disorder, he had no memory of 3 years of his work on Friends. In 2018, Perry spent 5 months in a hospital for a gastrointestinal perforation. During the hospital stay, Perry nearly died after his colon burst from opioid abuse. He spent weeks in a coma and used a colostomy bag for 9 months. Doctors told his family that Perry had a 2% chance of survival when he was admitted. He was connected to an extracorporeal membrane oxygenation ECMO machine. Perry faked pain to get a prescription for 1,800 milligrams of hydrocodone per day and was having daily ketamine infusions. He was given propofol in conjunction with a surgery, which stopped his heart for 5 minutes. The resulting CPR resulted in 8 broken ribs. He paid $175,000 for a private jet to take him to Los Angeles to get more drugs. When doctors there refused, he booked another $175,000 private flight to fly back to Switzerland that night. In 2022, he estimated that he had spent $9 million on his addiction, including 14 stomach surgeries, 15 stays in rehab and therapy twice a week for 30 years, and had attended approximately 6,000 Alcoholics Anonymous meetings. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.